Hey there guys, this is my recent acquire right here. This is HP p2-1394. It has a Intel Core i3 second generation processor, and let's go over here, and here is the specs of this computer. Like I said, HP p2-1394. You can hook up multiple monitors to it. Second generation Intel Core i3 2120T processor. It's running at 2.6 gigahertz. I'm gonna plan to upgrade that to at least an i5 of some kind. 6 gigs of DDR3 system memory, which I ordered a 4 gig stick online a few days ago. So it should be coming, and I'm gonna upgrade it from 6 to 8 gigs hopefully soon. A 1 terabyte hard drive, Intel HD Graphics 2000. Now you'll see here in a minute why I can't do anything with that unless I get a whole new motherboard for this computer. It does not have a PCI Express 2.0 slot on the motherboard, and you'll see why as I flip it around to the very back of the computer. It's got a super multi-DVD burner, which that's okay. I'll sometimes burn pictures and stuff to DVDs, so I think I'll keep that. Came with Windows 8, not Windows 8.1, Windows 8. So it was built in sometime around in 2012. So yeah. And of course they say it's the perfect fit, but I'll go ahead and pause this video right now and I'll show you the back. You'll be pleasantly surprised, I tell you. Oh, what's that you see? No power supply? Oh my gosh. What do we do? Well, it's kind of weird, isn't it? Never seen a computer like this, I bet. Yeah. There is no freaking power supply. How do you get power, you ask? This little thing right here. It's basically like a laptop power supply that you got way down here. And then of course you got your DVI, your VGA, your USB 2.0 ports, your Ethernet, and your audio. But yeah, I thought it was so weird when I first saw this. It was strange. And then of course you got your case fan right here, and I'll go ahead and pause this again so I can show you guys the motherboard. Okay, so please excuse my dusty case fan and my dusty CPU fan. I haven't had a chance to clean that yet, but here's the two system memories. One's a 2 gig stick, one's a 4 gig stick, and I plan to upgrade the 2 gig stick to another 4 gig stick of memory, brand new memory. And as you can see, there's where the power supply would go if it had one. And as you can see, like I said, there is like no PCI Express slot on this motherboard. Here, I'll turn on the light. Yeah, see, there's like no way to upgrade the graphics on this motherboard. So yeah, it's kind of strange. I've never had a computer like this. It's really weird. But yeah, there's no way. So I'm gonna have to buy a whole new motherboard for this. I'll prefer to get an Asus motherboard of some kind, an Asus 1155 motherboard, and I'll try and upgrade the graphics and everything with that. But yeah, it's really strange. I've never had this before. But yeah, see, even if you notice, even the things are strange. Even, I mean, I've never seen this before. Look at this shit. I mean, I've never had a computer like this before. Can't get it back in there now. So yeah, this is what the inside of my HP Core i3 machine looks like. Very strange. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe.